Okay guys, so we're going to do a real quick little fact family video. So check this out. I'm going to show you the pattern that we use. You will not have fact families for a grade today. I just want to kind of give you a little quick introduction to them. So here's what we do. We've got 8, 12, and 4 are part of our fact family. See, they all live in the same house together. They're part of a family. All right, when you write your fact family, we always start with 2 adding. Adding is you get some more. So when you get more, you put the 2 smallest numbers together and make them equal the biggest number here and here. What's our biggest number? Is it 8, 4, or 12? Yeah, it's 12. So we know when we add, 12 will go here and here, here and here. Like so. And my 12s look kind of wonky. Okay. Now we're going to forget about that for a minute and we're going to come down to our 2 subtraction. See how this is subtraction and this is subtraction? When we subtract, your biggest number needs to be at the beginning. So for our fact families, when you add, biggest number at the end. When you subtract, biggest number at the beginning. So we put our 12 here and here. Okay, so we've used up 12. Now it's time to take our 2 little numbers, just like when we did parts and wholes on our number bonds. So you take 8 and put here, and 4 and put here. You want to make sure each line has 8, 4, and 12. They're just going to be in different orders. So 8 and 4 are now going to trade places because 4 wants to be line leader. So 4 will go first, and 8 will go next. So just like with our number bonds, we know 8 and 4 make 12, and 4 and 8 make 12. Now here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to use up our 8 and our 4. So I'm just going to put them down like this. 8, 4. So we know 12 take away 8 equals 4. Now they just swap places again. So we're going to move 4 to here, 4, and 8 over here, 8. And that's how you do a fact family. It's just all about looking for those patterns. Let's do our next one. 14. So we add. 14 is our biggest. We add. So we know 14 goes at the end. And when we add, 14 goes at the beginning. When we subtract, then we take our 2 little numbers, 9 and 5, and we add them. 9 and 5 make 14, and then they switch places. 5 and 9 make 14, and then you just put them down here again. You got 9, so 14 take away 9 makes 5. 14 take away 5 makes 9. So it's all about putting them in different orders, finding that pattern. Remember, when you add, big number goes last. When you subtract, a big number goes at the beginning. And there's a whole reason for that, but your minds are too young to understand. I promise someday this is going to make total sense to you. For now, right now we're looking for the pattern in our fact families. So that's what I want you thinking about, is your patterns. I want you to realize that 8 and 4 make 12, and they can swap places, and 4 and 8 will still make 12. I want you to realize that you can take 12 from 8 and it make 4, and then you can take 12 from 4 and it make 8. I want you to start seeing that pattern. That's what our main goal is. So right now you don't have to understand why. I just want you to see the pattern. And this is a hard one for kids, so be patient with yourself.